Hey guys, it's Ethan here. I'm going to be doing my vlogs. This is the first vlog I'm going to be doing. Tomorrow I'm going to do a vlog too. See this trash can? Shot with my BB gun. So beautiful. You've never seen anything like it. It's beautiful. Okay, put that back there. Now, ow! I'm going to be climbing. I'm going to be doing some parkour. I'm going to put my phone right here so you can see me. Yeah, well, that's where I'm going to be doing parkour right there. I can't do it. Really hurt my hand, guys. And then my bubble really hurt my hand. I'm really looking for this tree I used to climb like a lot. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I see it. Whoa, the grass grew like a lot. See that? This is my tree. This is my tree. It's my beautiful tree. I love the tree. Oh, I love you so much. I'm gonna marry this tree someday. It's gonna be a beautiful wedding. Guys, all my subscribers should come. My 2 subscribers. Parker. My name is Bob. Oh, my beautiful tree. Oh, my beautiful tree. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm a beautiful tree climber. Oh man. Alright. Put that. Okay. So I'm gonna be climbing this tree. Yeah. I'm gonna be climbing it. Parkour. Oh. Oh, I'm so high up the ground. I'm gonna die. I'm like 2 centimeters off the ground. Oh, I scratched myself really bad jumping off that tree. So I'm gonna be going on my walk. A beautiful walk. Oh, a stick shaped like a gun. It's from my Aunt Susie. My uncle Bob. He always says, my name is Bob. Copyright in this video. No, just kidding. There's no copyright. Huh! Wow, that stick went all the way in the bushes. Oh, see, here's my rusty old tree fort that I can't climb. But Parker Duet, his YouTube account, he can climb that one. He can climb parkour. Okay, well, let's keep going. There's these bugs over here. I have a big backyard. I'm in my backyard, and there's all these bugs, and I hate them so much. But look at my big backyard. So beautiful. Okay, now let's go. Here's my fireplace full of trash. Trash. That's all. I'm gonna make a rap about that in my second vlog about this trash. All this trash. Oh, look at over here. It's beautiful chickens. They're so beautiful. Look at those beautiful chickens. Look at. They're playing in the dirt. Aunt Joe is playing in the dirt. I mean Aunt Susie. Man, I keep saying Aunt Joe for some reason. Oh wait, I know why. I'll tell you in the next vlog. Okay, guys. So I'm staying over here. And I'm gonna be walking. See, here's my grandpa's truck. And I'm walking down the sidewalk I have here that just ends for some reason. This ends is like all the way down there, and then it just comes and then ends right here. It doesn't make really any sense. Oh no! Where's my Aunt Susie? Oh, she's over here. My Aunt Susie. Oh, Jeff the frog. Where'd he go? There's a beautiful Jeff. I can't find him. He's my love of my life. Jeff the frog. I mean Jeff the goose. Oh, I'm gonna come inside now to look for him. Hey, what are you doing? Here. It's my green.
Are you retarded?
It's my green. I have to do the dishes now. Hey. Okay, guys, I'm doing the dishes. So beautiful. So beautiful. Cut back to you guys when I'm done.
You said stuff.
Oh my god, yeah, he's retarded.
Hey! Call me retarded.
He's retarded.
I'm scrubbing, dubbing.
No. Go way back here with the small plates.
Fine. Scrubbing, dubbing my plates.
I'll drive these because you ain't gonna have room for yours.
I'm talking to my 2 subscribers.
Nobody subscribed to you.
Are you sure? You subscribe to me and Parker does. Talking to my 2 subscribers. Don't talk to my subscribers that way. Scrub-a-dub-dub and my scrub-a-dub-dub. My plates. I'm gonna pause here. Okay guys, I'm back from doing that. Oh! Really scrubbly. So, I'm gonna end the vlog here guys. I hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button in the face so hard that it bleeds. Just do it. And subscribe to my channel because I have really funny stuff coming up in the future. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next vlog tomorrow or whatever if I make some side videos. Bye guys. Hope you had a fun time watching me.